So I got my Stitch Fix box for this month. So I thought I'd do an unboxing for you. So this is what it looks like. I actually tore this a little bit. But it basically comes with a wrapped package. You get a little note here that has a peek at the pieces that are in your box, as well as some styling suggestions. So it's kind of neat because it gives you some outfit suggestions for each one, and it also gives you a little and then they send you the receipt as well, so you know how much each item costs. It's basically, they send you 5 pieces of styled clothing, shoes, jewelry, and then you decide, you know, if you want to keep all of them, if you want to keep some of them. As you can see, there's listed here with the prices, and you pay a $20 styling fee that credits back to your purchase, and you'll get a 25% discount if you buy all of the items in the packet. So kind of incentive to keep all the products. Alright, so let's open up. Like I said, I accidentally ripped this part, but I haven't actually unwrapped this yet. So we'll take a look. Okay. So the first item is, looks like a Dolman sweater. It is from Layla Jade. So it's a 3/4 sleeve Dolman. And looks like it retails for $58. It's a beautiful, nice material. You can see there, some information for it. Next item, looks like we have another top. This one's from Market and Spruce, and it is the Madison, I think that's how you say it, the Madison pleat detail top in gray. So you can see it's a short sleeve tank, plaited detailing here, plaited detailing here, pretty nice material. This one retails for $58 as well. Next item, we have this, looks like a sweater. Sweater is from Market and Spruce as well. Antone Cotton Blend J Pocket Cardigan in olive. So here it is. It has some elbow detail on there, and sweater with some pockets. So this is nice, and this one retails for $68. Next item, second to last, is this. So this one is, let's see, as you can see I haven't even opened any of these things. This looks like a dress, so it's from Kaylee, I think they say it. Azaria knit dress in navy. And let's see if I can open it up for you. So this dress retails for $48. That looks like a sort of a V-neck dress like that. So that is the dress in its entirety. Short sleeves again. And here's some detailing. Last but not least, we have some pants. So these are the Liverpool Stitch Fix exclusive. They have tags if they're exclusive to Stitch Fix. Liverpool Jacqueline skinny pant in navy. So here's the pant. Marketing as leggings, as you can see. Here's the pants. So it doesn't necessarily show up on the camera very well, but it's more of a kind of green blue. It's color Dark Knight on the actual label itself, but they advertise as navy. Oh, and I forgot to mention that this pant retails for $78. Alright, so I figured I would try on a couple of the pieces together. So this is the knitted top, and these are the leggings that came in the box. So you can see the top fits pretty nicely, business casual appropriate, some detail on the sleeving. And then the pants also fit pretty well. As you can see, they fit like leggings actually. I'm 5'11", so they just get down to my ankle, which is perfect. Also good for boot weather. It's coming up, so I like how this looks. And I just threw on that cardigan, the green, olive green cardigan that came in the box as well. So it has pockets in the front. It goes with this shirt actually, so this would be kind of a complete outfit, I would say. You could wear a cardigan. It's casual, but also, you know, work appropriate. Again, that little elbow sleeve. For me, I have long arms, so it actually rolled all the way down. It actually fits really well, which is always a struggle for my height and my length to get clothes that actually are long enough for me. So pretty nice. You can see the detail here, the pocket, and I do leave the tags on until I decide for sure I'm keeping them, just in case I decide not to keep them. So this is a complete outfit from the box this month from Stitch Fix, so it's kind of neat. Alright, so I threw on the Dolman kind of casual outfit. Again, I'm wearing those same leggings that came in the box as well, so pretty nice. I like the feel of it. Color's perfect for fall. It's like a purple color. Last but not least, this dress that came in the box. So it's almost knee length. I have long legs, so actually my legs start here, so a little bit shorter than probably average. I don't know if I'd be able to wear this at work, just with the wrap dress and my chest size. I don't know if I'd be able to wear this at work, but it's cute. It's a cute kind of dressy outfit. Material is really soft too. I don't know if with the winter coming up, if it's the most appropriate dress for me to keep. So this one is a maybe, but it is cute. Doesn't have pockets, you know. We gotta have our pockets, but so this is on my maybe pile. I think everything else I really liked, and I really liked the dress. I just don't know if it's flattering for me and if I will actually wear it anytime soon. So that's my Stitch Fix box for the month. You got to see me try on actually make a complete outfit out of 3 of these pieces, as you saw. So let me know which of these pieces you enjoyed, if there's any outfit ideas that you have that I can try for any of these, or if you have your own Stitch Fix box. I'd love to see what clothes you got in yours.